Hideaway Beach is just a few weeks away from opening to the public. We're going to give you an update of what we know, and that's coming up next here on Oceaneers Travel. Hi, guys, and welcome in. I'm Robin with Oceaneers Travel, here to give you an update on everything we know about Hideaway Beach. If you didn't know, or if you've been under a rock for a while, Hideaway Beach is going to be the new adults only area on Royal Caribbean's Perfect Day at Coco Cay. Now, Perfect Day at Coco Cay was great. It's wonderful. It's one of our favorite destinations. But now you can go to the adults only Hideaway Beach. And it's set to open in just a few short weeks, officially when Icon of the Seas goes there on their inaugural sailing in just a few weeks away. So what is Hideaway Beach and where is it located? Like I said, it's an adults only area on Coco Cay to the right of the Arrivals Plaza as you come onto the island. Now you can get there by foot, or there will be trams available to take you anywhere around the island, but to Hideaway Beach as well. It will boast oceanfront amenities. It will have 2 pools, dedicated eateries, bars, a VIP area, and a DJ. So prepared to be ready to party, I guess, if you're going to Hideaway Beach. So we know that there are going to be 5 different bar areas. And the best part, your drink package works here. Oh, did you know that? Yes. If you have purchased a drink package on Royal Caribbean, you can use them at their private island, whether it's Hideaway Beach or Coco Cay, wherever Labadee, you can use these drink packages ashore here as well. We also have a secluded on the rocks bar that I'm personally excited to see because you have sweeping views of the ocean and your ship in the distance, and it should just be absolutely beautiful and breathtaking. If you're hungry, there's also going to be dedicated eatery places here at Hideaway Beach. Slice of Paradise is going to be your pizza place. Isn't that clever? Slice of Paradise pizza? Of course. And then you can also hop over to the Hideaway Hut. It's going to have your handhelds, your burgers, your sandwiches. There's also going to be like some baskets of shrimp, salads, different things. Now, they had teased that the Snack Shack would be on Hideaway Beach as well. And I'm not sure if it's going to be included in this Hideaway Hut. So things like those beautiful mozzarella sticks and those chicken sandwiches and those funnel cakes, I don't know if exactly you're going to be able to get them here at the Hideaway Hut or if there'll be a standalone Snack Shack on Hideaway Beach. Nevertheless, if you want to venture out of the Hideaway area to go get some food, you are more welcome to. There are lots of areas around Coco Cay where you can quench that hunger mode. Don't forget to head over to many of the buffets. My personal favorite are the tacos, but everything else is really good too. But the tacos are chef's kiss. So you can also indulge in the VIP experience here at Hideaway Beach. Now, what this includes is your upper level of cabanas. And we've seen the prices. We know that they're $2,500 plus. But what you get is a dedicated area, a dedicated attendant. You also have your own infinity pool. Now, that sounds pretty cool, right? You can hear the DJ music, see the ocean, have your own private cabana, your own personal attendant to bring you food, snacks, whatever. And then you can simply relax in your own infinity pool. Sounds pretty cool to me. If anybody's got an extra $2,500 laying around, send it my way and we'll go experience that. As always, stay tuned to Oceaneers Travel. There will be a lot of information coming up very, very soon. If you're not subscribed already, please click that subscribe button, put the notification bell on so you'll be notified every time I upload video. I am actually on the inaugural sailing of Icon. I have access to Hideaway Beach when we arrive, so I will be bringing you everything there is to offer. If you want to see it firsthand, I'll have a video coming up soon, so don't forget to subscribe for that. Until then, friends, happy cruising. We'll see you soon. Bye.
Come on.